You can master the law of assumption when you realize that imagination is the only true reality. The key to harness your imagination is through visualization, and inside your imagination, your worries and problems completely dissolve, and the need for validation from others becomes obsolete. Every object and circumstance is a product of your imagination and emotions, whether you are aware of it or not. The law of assumption is by far more powerful than the law of attraction, in that usually when people think of the law of attraction, people think of maintaining a positive state of being. The law of assumption states that anything you assume to be true through lifelike visualization using all of your senses will become true no matter how specific or general your desire is. When you visualize exactly what it is that you desire in a way that triggers your subconscious mind to feel as though if it is actually real, then you have tapped into the divine power of your imagination. You hold the power to shape your reality through the energy of your attention and perception. The way you perceive others influences their behavior, and the external world reflects the images and scenarios that exist in your mind's eye. The entire world around you reflects who you are being at any given moment. If you accept the idea that every single thing in our 3D world is a product of our imagination, then imagination becomes the only true reality. You no longer are a victim to unfavorable circumstances. Your possessions and the attitudes of those around you were once imagined and felt before they manifested in your physical reality. Your external world is a reflection of your internal world. This is a universal truth, whether you are consciously aware of it or not. To receive validation from others, you can simply imagine and feel that you already have it. The reality of your desires already exists within you. It's like having a marriage, a car, a house, or anything else already present within you. Once you accept this fact and genuinely feel the reality of your desires, you no longer have to put an effort into manifesting them. You already have acquired them in your imagination, and there's no more effort needed at all. The key here is to truly feel that what you desire is already true within yourself. The creative force of the universe resides within you in the form of your human imagination. It has the potential to save you from any situation you may be saving. It's similar to how water quenches your thirst or a job provides financial stability. Through your imagination, you can manifest your deepest desires. So imagine yourself achieving your wildest dreams, accomplishing everything you've ever wanted, and living the life you've always dreamed of. With the power of your imagination, there are no limits to what you can accomplish. If you can conceive it, you can achieve it. Now, to tap into the creative force of your imagination, find a comfortable spot to sit or lie down and close your eyes. Get yourself into a deeply relaxed state by slowing down your breathing. Identify what it is that you desire to experience and allow yourself to fully relax. Visualize the end result of your desire and immerse yourself in the experience. Immerse yourself into the sensory experience to feel the scenario in which you have accomplished your desired reality. This is how you must visualize. When you visualize in a way that you actually start to feel the realness of it, then that is then implanted into your subconscious mind, and then it believes it to be real. The way that you visualize so that it feels real to you is that you see mental images of what you wish to experience. You then add other senses into that visualization. You hear conversations with others that would imply you already have what you desire. For example, if your goal is to attain a promotion at work, visualize the end result where your colleagues congratulate you on your promotion. See yourself moving into a larger office and receiving an increase in pay. Imagine hearing your friends congratulate you and feel the sensation of their hand in yours as they shake it to express how happy they are for you. Use as many of your senses as possible within your imagination. This will allow you to tap into the feelings of actually experiencing this promotion, and your mind will feel as if it is truly real. By genuinely experiencing the feeling of being congratulated, your imagination will begin to work towards bringing that state into your reality. Practice this daily until you can easily return to this feeling frequently. You will notice that it will become natural for you very easily. You don't have to worry about how your imagination will bring about what you desire. Your imagination will utilize whatever natural means are necessary to manifest it. This is what is called the bridge of incidences. Your imagination is powerful and will orchestrate the events to occur that will bring about your desire. Remember that what you visualize and feel in your imagination is an instant creative act. However, the physical world, events unfold in a time sequence, so it may take some time for your desired outcome to materialize. This is only because events always happen in a natural order. Anything can happen very quickly, but at the same time, it will happen naturally. After using your imagination to create your desired outcome, carry on with your daily life as normal, knowing that your desire is already done. It is this conviction that brings about your desire in a natural, yet almost instantaneous way. When you enter your imagination, make sure you're actively engaged in the action. Hear the words, touch the object, or smell the aroma in your created scene. This will make the experience feel more real and bring it about faster. This is the feeling it real technique by the 20th century law of assumption mystic Neville Goddard. Your imagination is an active force that requires your full participation to manifest your desires. By immersing yourself in your imagination, you bring your desires into the present moment. If you want a new car, you visualize yourself driving it from your first-person point of view. Experience the sensations of the new car smell and the comfort of the ride. Allow yourself to feel the joy and contentment that comes with having your desire fulfilled. What you feel and experience in your imagination is a genuine act of creation that exists in the fourth dimension and will eventually manifest in the physical world inevitably once the feeling of having your desire becomes your dominant state. Remember, once you have fully planted the seed of your desire in your imagination, avoid disturbing it by worrying about how it will come into fruition. You will know that the seed of your desire is fully planted in your mind when you feel the conviction of your desire already being done. It is a feeling of knowing, and you will not feel the need to wonder where your desire is. It is simply a natural knowing that it is done. Trust the natural process of manifestation and maintain a positive mindset. Your imagination is a powerful tool that automatically brings about your desire naturally. There is never any effort that you have to make on your part. To make your dream a reality, you need to persevere to make what you desire to become your dominant state of being. You can choose to perform your imaginal act repeatedly until it becomes a natural part of your daily routine. While your conscious mind is at rest, your imagination will be working out the necessary steps to achieve your desire. Now, it's also important to express gratitude for your desire, as if it has already come into fruition. Imagine a reality that surpasses your highest expectations and be open to unexpected opportunities that may present themselves to help you achieve your desire. Remember, your divine imagination is an extension of God, who is the one doing the work, who knows the best way to make it happen. Trust in the process and maintain a positive mindset, knowing that your desire is already done. Be sure to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. Check out the next video on your screen for more tips on how to manifest the life that you desire.